Hello, beautiful souls. Most of us breathe unconsciously in a shallow manner from the upper chest and putting our body in a constant fight or flight mode, which means you're not controlling your breath. It is controlling you. The goal of our meditation is going to be all about relearning how nature intended for us to breathe before we picked up all those bad habits. Back to deep diaphragmatic belly breathing, back to peace, back to stillness, back home to your authentic self. Take a deep breath. Let's begin with our meditation. Find a comfortable seated or laying down position, whichever is most comfortable for you. Just find a place for yourself where there is peace and quiet, and where you can allow yourself to go deep within. Close your eyes and begin to bring all of your awareness to your breath. Inhaling slowly and deeply through your nose, and exhaling gently through your nose or mouth. Inhale and exhale. Allow your hand to be rested on your knees, either palms facing up or facing down, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Take a moment to get closer to your breathing. Don't change your breath, just observe it. Is it shallow or deep? Is it slow or fast? Is it smooth or is it rough? Do you tend to push it or do you hold it? Breath is life energy. When we restrict our breathing, we diminish our life energy. If you allow yourself to explore your breathing with this curiosity, you will get a good insight into where you are right now. Now, as you get into the rhythm of slow, consistent breathing, take comfort in knowing there is nothing left to do but to listen to my voice and tune into your breath, as I will be guiding you through a deep diaphragmatic belly breathing technique throughout the duration of this meditation, which is how nature intended for us to breathe. Let's begin by taking a breath in through your nose and breathe out through your nose or mouth. Do whichever feels more natural to you. Place one hand on your upper chest and the other hand just below the rib on your belly. This is where your diaphragm is, and you will be able to feel it move as you breathe. Take a deep breath into that space in your belly, feeling it expand. And then exhale and release. Inhale through the nose and notice your hand on your belly go up with the in-breath and back down towards the spine with the exhale. Keep breathing, inhaling through the nose, and notice the movement of your hands. The hand on your belly should move up and down with each breath, while the hand on your chest should remain as still as possible. take another breath in through your nose, imagining that you're breathing right into your lower belly, expanding your belly outward, keeping your shoulders and upper chest relaxed. Exhale out and release. Inhale, keeping your upper body relaxed, noticing your belly expanding. And then exhale and release. And this, my friends, is a full diaphragmatic belly breathing. Now, let's continue to breathe in this way by really deepening and extending the breath, by imagining that you're breathing right into your lower belly. Keep your lower belly soft and completely fill your lungs on the in-breath. Feel your belly expand and relax as you breathe. With each breath, you feel yourself relaxing deeper and deeper and letting go. Feel the surface underneath your sit bones, whether that's a pillow or the floor. Allow yourself to slowly begin to sink and melt into the surface beneath you and let go. Allow your eyes to feel heavy, letting them rest as you continue to breathe deeply through your lower belly. Relax your entire face. Allow your arms to be relaxed, your shoulders to be relaxed. Let go of any emotions or thoughts. Simply allow your mind to take pause from analyzing, judging, or thinking. Give yourself full permission to rest. Just feeling the belly rise and fall as you gently breathe. Simply allow yourself to enjoy this very present now moment. Enjoying each inhalation and exhalation. When you notice thoughts enter your mind, don't be discouraged. It's normal for thoughts to enter your mind, especially if you are new to this practice of meditation. When you notice your mind has strayed, just gently bring your focus back to the breath. Continue to bring your breath as deep as possible into your abdomen, making a relaxed effort to keep your belly expanding and contracting with each breath. feel your entire body relax with these deep and slow breaths. Continue to feel the breath rising and falling with each breath as your body becomes more and more relaxed. Inhaling into your belly, feeling it expand outward, and then exhale all the air out, allowing it to deflate. As you continue to breathe gently and going deeper into a meditative state, repeat silently in your mind these affirmations. I am breathing new life force energy into my heart. I am breathing love into every cell of my body. I am becoming a sanctuary of unconditional love and a source of strength for myself and everyone around me. I am a holy temple of love and oneness. Sense each new breath expanding from this place of stillness and falling back into the stillness. Notice the tension in your body completely melting and dissolving. Keep taking in these deep belly breaths and breathe out as you continue to fall deeper and deeper into complete relaxation. As the breath rises and dissolves with each inhale and exhale, feel yourself in stillness now. Completely become this calm point of stillness from which the breath emerges, ever present throughout and beneath each new breath. When you are ready to bring this practice to a close, bring your focus back to your body. Become aware of the surface you are on. Feel your body on the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in and exhale out and notice. How are you feeling? Notice, how is your body feeling? Know that you can always come back to your breath when life becomes too much. When you take a moment to focus on a simple yet a powerful process of breathing correctly, you not only invite in healing, peace, love, and stillness, but you get to also help quiet the mind from the constant chatter, bringing you back to your authentic self. Today, my friends, you did that for yourself. Take as long as you need, and when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Namaste.